Paw Patrol. Pup-tacular. Marshall is a fierce fire dog and the EMT of Paw Patrol. This Dalmatian is always fired up and ready to roll. Strong and brave, Chase the German Shepherd police pup is always ready for action. If there's a problem, Chase is on the case. Sky is a super smart cockapoo pup who was born to fly. She's not afraid to try anything and loves to lend a helping paw to her friends. The water rescue dog of Paw Patrol is Zuma. He is a playful Labrador pup who loves water and his friends. This construction bulldog has a heart of gold. You can always count on Rubble to be there on the double. Rocky the recycling pup can fix anything. He's one creative canine that always has just the right item for a rescue or repair. Together they make one pup-tacular team of heroes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Paw Patrol stories, check out my Paw Patrol playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me today, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.